Hashtag Fridaysews. Welcome to the show. My life and what I've sown. Next week, what's on the go? Let's hang and see what Mabel and Willow might do. Don't forget Mr. Christopher too. Subscribe, like and share. Just to let me know you care.
Hi, I'm Stacey J and this is my studio. I'd like to welcome you all to the Funny Farm and welcome back, all those that know that this is usually the Funny Farm. Not much has happened in the way of setting up my studio, but a lot has been going on. Didn't come to you last week. I actually took 4 days off. Mr. Christopher and I both took 4 days off. We had his best friend show up from, not just show up on the door like, hello, remember us? More, we knew he was coming, and they came on Thursday afternoon, late afternoon, and Chris was like a little kid, like a tiny, tiny little kid, just tiny little kid. Excited, just excited, like the kid on Christmas Day, running downstairs, oh, my friend, my best friend. That was him. You know, you might think I exaggerate when I talk about him. I don't exaggerate when I talk about him. Deadly, deadly serious. So the last time I came to you, it was Tuesday, and it was a tutorial I did on shortening the sleeves of a uniform jacket. Actually, just quietly, that's still sitting here. The mother hasn't come to pick it up. Anyway, by the by, I have completed a wedding dress. I haven't completed the wedding dress. Sorry, that sounded incredibly wrong. I hemmed a 3-layered wedding dress. The bride picked it up today. I got her bridesmaid here who is pregnant. We are going to do some modifications to her dress for the wedding. It's on the 1st of February. So I have been kind of, you know, flat out. School uniforms, wedding dresses, wedding alteration dresses, and yeah. So Thursday last week I shot out up to Otaki, where Mum had a look at some, well, we went to have a look at some stone for her bench top. It's not like, it's not granite, it's stone inlay or something like that. And I don't know if I want to answer that. So we went up there. It was a fantastic, beautiful sunny day, and I did not recall going up. I didn't recall coming down because it's not as exciting as going up the transmission gully, which is really pretty. And I saw that transmission gully is 110 now at one state part of it. So yeah, just because you guys wanted to know that. Not. So we went up there, and then we came back down, spoke to the kitchen guy. I actually had a 3:30 appointment, and I had to be back for the bride's wedding dress I am making. So I had a fitting for her because I made the just the bodice at the minute, and she bought her fabric. Then Paul's and Mia showed up, which was awesome, and yeah, just had 4 days with them. I might have come in here twice, one to show them the duck fabric, and because I picked it up and took it out, and one I had to do something. I didn't even come in here, so it was a very relaxed kind of thing. They came to us 2 days earlier than they were meant to, and I think it was very awesome that they did, because there was a very relaxed. So Mr. Christopher and I took a load off, so we're pretty happy with that. So we haven't had the children coming up 2 weeks now. I haven't had Victoria here for about a month, so it's all very relaxing. So as I told you, I'm on a fabric ban, a ban that I placed upon myself. The only fabric that I'll be purchasing is for clients. So not so much a client, not a paying client, but I am making something in this. Picked this up with Mum today. So Mum and I went out to the bench top place to have a look at the great big sheet of stone. So Mum was happy with the pattern and all that in it, which she is. So, and it looks absolutely lovely. So it was a case of, oh, you know, that's it. You know, so, and you only had the little samples otherwise, and because it's got a pattern through it, you've got to be very careful that that it is flowing nicely and all that sort of stuff. So she's happy. So then I had to go and get some cotton to match a skirt. So I'll be doing a narrow hem on the overlocker for a skirt. So I needed brown. I needed a dusty pink to alter another skirt for another client. And then the bridesmaid of the bride had to come in. She was pregnant. She is pregnant. And pretty pregnant. Really pregnant. Apparently wasn't pregnant when she asked her to be her bridesmaid. Funny story, just got to quickly tell you. These two best friends, these best friends, they are marrying, well, she will be married soon, to twin brothers. Isn't that funny? They were best friends before the boys even came on the scene. So cute, so funny. Such a lovely little story. Anyway, so I got that. And I got some black elastic to go around a skirt top of a dress I've got to cut down to turn into a skirt. So I went to Pete's Emporium, and I also got some fabric, and I can show you because Mum chose it. I can show you if I can find it. So I bought a pattern because I'm going to make one of these things for Mum. And although she doesn't know what it is, I said I need an inside and outside and bias. There's probably one person, hopefully, who's watching me that knows exactly what I'm talking about. So she's picked that for the outside, and this is for the inside. And I would really want an orange stripe. Because, yeah, she was telling me there's orange stripe. We got orange stripe fabric at Linen Crafts. So I think I want some of that. I want to make my own bias binding because stripe bias binding is really funky monkey. And I want it to pop because there's a beautiful orange in that. So although not a client, it's going to be her birthday present, which is in April. So best pull finger out and get that made. Then Mum found some fabric, and it is a four-wheel drive fabric. Okay, now my brother is in the four-wheel drive club over in Brisbane, and he likes four-wheel drives. He likes cars, and I said I'm going to make him a shirt. Mum said, "Oh, he won't wear it. He won't do a Chris shirt." And I went, "No, he'll wear it." So I got in touch with his partner and I said, hey, what do you think? And she's like, "Oh my God, yes, he will wear it." And so he will wear it, Mum. He will wear it. I don't make things for people that don't wear things. That's why I don't make the kids anything anymore. So I bought that. So I've got it overlocked, ready to throw in the wash. Now I'm contemplating not washing this fabric. But yeah, but what do you think of these two fabrics together? They're going to be so nice. Very much Mum's colours. So I think it's really cool. The inside is not showing much, so I want to definitely have that. So it's got to be like quilted and padded together. So let's have a look in my months and my makes for 2025, right? So we've got my little front thing I drew. Now every day I'm taking one of these booklet things I've made, and I'm taking it up, and while I'm sitting there in front of the TV doing absolutely nothing at night, I'm doodling. Okay, so this is my sewing journal. As you know, that if you want a copy of this, just jump onto the Ko-Fi, drop a little donation down. There is no given price, and I will email it to you in PDF form so you can print your own off. You will not get that particular part. Okay, you've got to have your own bunch of crazy to sit there and draw that. There was somebody who won that last year, won a copy of my thingo. Look at me, already stuffing up my words. So the other thing I've made is the duck shorts. Okay, so I've got them in the book. I'm trying to be very diligent. As I said, I haven't made anything this week. I had 4 days to catch up on life. So very much full wedding on, dress on. Next weekend is the wedding. So that was that. And school uniforms. Lots of school uniforms. School's starting soon. So my friend just came and picked up her son's shorts. And I said, I'll bet your mum can't wait for you to start school so she can have 10 weeks break again. Just saying, like he's in first year of high school, so old enough, old enough. Yeah, my 20s are starting university on the 24th of February. Scary Mary. So that's my book. Again, I'll just show you just so you can see it. A little sewing journal on the front. I'll be updating that for next year, obviously. It'll be 2026. And popping out that header to everybody that has donated money for it. I need to write that I've made the duck shorts. I have cut out the duck shirt. Now, I thought I would make a gift to somebody. And I'm not going to say who it is because they might watch me. They might not, but they might watch me, and so I don't want to say. But I'm going to make a suit, a short suit, safari suit, duck suit for this person. So that's what I've got up to. Not too much. Not much else has happened on the room. As I said, I have got some PowerPoints so I can sew over that side of the room. I washed some curtains that were on my shelving. That was when they were out. And I've just been, busy, flat out. Working, head down, bum up. Except for today, like I said, went out with Mum to pick the slab. Was not a nice day. Every day this week, except for yesterday, Mr. Christopher got almost like a pace from our house and got called up for a gas leak, so shot off out there to help. And so I didn't go outside, but every day I've been sitting outside. Hopefully he's been, getting home about 4:30. We'll go and sit down for an hour outside in the sun on the deck, enjoying the weather. Organised a trip possibly to go to Aussie in September, October, so the last school holidays before Christmas over there. Be around Brisbane, Canungra, Gold Coast zone. And so that's about all. Tried to catch up with Rowan's mum, but unfortunately, I think time factor more than anything, like they were laid off the boat, so I didn't want to hold them up because they were driving for three and a half hours, especially when you don't know a town or a place, that always adds time and stress. So I don't want to stress them out, so I didn't unfortunately catch up with them. But other than that, it's been, just a busy time. Just get my stuff sorted so that I can start making stuff for me. Get all these renos out the way. Yeah, I call them renos. It is what it is. So that's about all I got to say. Short but sweet. Have booked a couple of trips up north for the car racing. First one's in Fielding. The second one's up in Taupo. And so they're all booked in. Ready to watch Joshua race, which is quite exciting. Yeah, apart from that, all good in the hood. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to let you go. It was a Berlin 6.5 degrees when I went for my walk this morning, which is unusual. It's usually about 12. So it was quite nice. And then it rained. It wasn't cold. Oh, it was cold in Pizza Emporium. It was freezing cold in Pizza Emporium. What am I wearing? I think you've all seen my wee top and my ripped jeans. These are the original pair that I made. So these were my trial makes. And I sewed the seam in. I do need to put elastic around the back because I spent the entire day with Mum pulling my pants up. And they were getting low. So I was pulling them up. It's really funny. I was explaining to Mr. Christopher how they had fallen Oh, and I said to him today, I was showing him something. He said, do they come down undone? And he just downtrowed me. So it was like, yeah, I guess so. Then he tried to pull them up and said, no, it's all right. I'll do that. Thanks. That's all good. So, yeah. Anyway, that is me. I will love you and leave you. I want you guys to take care. I want you to enjoy the sun. And if you are enjoying the sun, make sure that you save face and put some on your face. Okay, stay well, stay warm, stay dry. Keep cool. Keep on sewing. Hydrate. Have no regrets. Take care. I'll see you later. Bye.
Subscribe, like, and share, just to let me know that you care.